Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Mistfall Hunter game not working, not opening, crashing, crash asset startup, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, not starting issue, or black screen problem or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix include step 1, 2, 3 and 4, and after following the 4 steps you can check if your problem is solved or not. However, you can also check your problem is solved or not after following the each steps. So here we go. Step 1 is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2 is to clear the Mistfall Hunter's cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for a Mistfall Hunter game and then highlight it. Then press menu and select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data and then click on reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile and make sure you click delete from console when deleting. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see this feature in your Xbox console, then skip this step. Step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart. After following all these 4 steps, now you can go ahead, launch the Mistfall Hunter game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in the general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then save it and then relaunch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then relaunch the game again and check. Fix 3 is to remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now add your account. After adding your account, launch the Mistfall Hunter game and see if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then fix 4 is to reinstall Mistfall Hunter game. So simply uninstall Mistfall Hunter game from your Xbox console, then fresh reinstall it, then launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Mistfall Hunter game not working, not starting problem, crashing issue, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.